They strike from the clouds, fast, unstoppable, deadly. They can see through the night, fly through storms, and unleash firepower with surgical precision. These are not just helicopters. They are flying tanks. The legend of the sky, the Mi-24 Crocodile. Born in the design bureau of Mikhail Mil, the Mi-24 became one of the most iconic combat helicopters in the world. Known for its power, speed, and unwavering reliability, this machine has served in the armies of nearly 50 nations, earning its place as a legend of aviation. In Rostov-on-Don, a city in southern Russia just over 1,000 kilometers from Moscow, lies the beating heart of this legend, the Rostvertol Aviation Plant. Founded in 1939, it first built airplane propellers, then fully switched to rotary wing production 20 years later. And that's where the story of the Mi-24 truly began. Birth of a legend. When the Mi-24 first rolled out of Rostvertol's gates, no one imagined the impact it would have on modern warfare. Armed with guided missiles, air cannons, and enough armor to survive direct hits, it earned the nickname, the Flying Tank. It wasn't just powerful, it was revolutionary. Two 2,200 horsepower engines gave it speeds up to 300 kilometers per hour. It could carry 8 fully armed soldiers into the heat of battle, strike ground targets, and provide cover for advancing troops, all in a single flight. The Mi-24's combat record speaks for itself: over 3,000 units produced, countless missions flown, and even one confirmed case in 1982 when a Mi-24 shot down a Phantom jet, the only known incident where a helicopter defeated a fighter in air combat. Crafting perfection. Inside Rostvertol's massive workshops, the birth of each Crocodile begins with precision metalwork. Machines cut titanium, magnesium, and aluminum alloys with deviations no greater than 1/100th of a millimeter. Every fuselage is riveted by hand, around 10,000 rivets per helicopter. Before assembly, every aluminum surface undergoes anodizing, a chemical bath that makes the metal immune to corrosion. The helicopter's armor undergoes constant evolution. Composite blades replace heavier metal ones, reducing weight and boosting altitude capability. The Mi-24's iconic X-shaped tail rotor enhances both maneuverability and stability, a signature of its modern upgrades. Engineering mastery. From its engines to its protective design, every element of the Mi-24 serves a purpose. Fuel tanks are self-sealing. If punctured, a chemical reaction automatically closes the hole. The cabin is armored to withstand direct fire. Even the placement of electronic units is calculated to absorb damage before it reaches the pilots. Its flexible yet powerful rotor blades, crafted from layers of fiberglass and titanium, allow this 10-ton beast to dance in the sky. During complex maneuvers, the gearbox channels energy from 2 roaring turbines running at 15,000 revolutions per minute down to 240 revolutions of the main rotor, a perfect mechanical symphony. The test of flight. When assembly is complete, each helicopter undergoes over 100 inspections. From electronic diagnostics and navigation calibration to a cold shot test, where sighting systems are aligned with virtual targets without firing a single round. Then comes the moment of truth, the first flight. Veteran test pilot Yuri Cherkasov has spent decades taking new machines into the sky. His verdict is simple. The Mi-24 is the most reliable combat helicopter I've ever flown. The Crocodile lives on. Today's modernized version, the Mi-35M, carries the fierce spirit of its ancestor, but with upgraded avionics, lighter materials, and advanced weaponry. It remains a symbol of Russian engineering excellence, proof that Mikhail Mil's original design was decades ahead of its time. Half a century after its first takeoff, the Crocodile still prowls the skies, evolved, refined, unstoppable. Built by over 7,000 hands, each unit worth nearly $20 million, every rotor turning is a testament to human skill, precision, and pride. The Mi-24, born in Rostov, known across the world, and still feared in the skies.